Malaysia's natural heritage ranks as one of the world's best. This is your haven for first-hand encounters with unspoiled nature. At over 130 million years old, Malaysia's rainforest is among the oldest on Earth. For centuries, it has intrigued explorers from all over the world. A journey into the rainforest provides a sense of discovery, with adventure along the way. Walking through the rainforest is fascinating. When your eyes adjust to lower light conditions, you may come across unexpected plants and animals. Malaysia is one of the planet's mega-diverse centers. It's home to an astounding array of wildlife. There are many intriguing plants. Some adapt their colors to survive. Some are carnivorous. And some even strangle their hosts to death. The most enthralling find in the forest is the rafflesia, the world's largest flower. It takes 9 months to develop from a small bud, only to die in less than a week. In the rainforest, life thrives in mysterious ways. Here, insects are most numerous. They are industrious, colorful, and bizarre. Malaysian butterflies are perhaps the most spectacular. Like priceless gems, they add dashes of color to the emerald jungle. Set your sights on other winged wonders in diverse habitats. In the forests of Temenggo, treat yourself to a rare spectacle during the fruiting season. Watch more than 2,000 wreathed and plain-pouched hornbills in just one evening. The Fraser's Hill International Bird Race attracts birders to compete in sighting and identifying birds in the highlands. Sightings of larger animals are rare, but at salt licks, you may spot some mammals feeding. Rehabilitation centers allow you to observe animals at very close range. There are many ways to enjoy Malaysia's beautiful rainforests. Trails are signposted, but you may need a guide for longer treks. Off-road biking and four-wheel driving are other options. For a rush of adrenaline, climb or abseil the world's tallest tropical trees. Then, glide through the rainforest canopy. Discover the secret world of treetops in pristine parks and reserves. We have several canopy walkways, but Mulu National Park has the world's longest. Be allured by Malaysia's mystical mountains. Ascend Mount Kinabalu, Southeast Asia's highest mountain. Recognized as a World Heritage Site, Kinabalu is a treasure trove of biodiversity. A relatively easy climb brings amazing rewards. Caves complement Malaysia's outstanding natural attractions. Varied in size and formation, they offer hours of excitement for adventure cavers. Choose to get dirty and wet as you explore a labyrinth of passages and underground rivers. But stay dry if you wish while enjoying superb caves. Visit Mulu National Park, another World Heritage Site for stunning limestone structures. Malaysia's caves support a diversity of wildlife. At dusk, Be enthralled by millions of bats emerging in successive waves from Mulu's deer cave. At night, the rainforest assumes an even more cryptic and distinctive character. Frogs and cicadas create a cacophony of sounds. Various insects thrive in the night, including the Atlas moth, the largest of its species in the world. Turn off your torches for just a moment. Your eyes will adjust slowly and discover creatures that glow in the dark. While some birds try to rest for the night, others thrive at nightfall. Many small mammals are nocturnal. Seeing them in their natural habitat is sheer delight. A boat ride unravels an entirely new and wondrous realm. Malaysia is one of the few places in the world where you can witness the synchronized flashing of fireflies. On a lucky night, you may even spot Sabah's pygmy elephants, a species unique to Malaysia. Dawn is an exciting time in the rainforest. As the ghostly mist slowly lifts, the silence is broken by gibbon calls. Leisurely river safaris open up new vistas for watching wildlife. The proboscis monkey is found only on the island of Borneo. Malaysia's pristine rivers and waterfalls offer retreat within inspiring natural landscapes. Some rivers will delight even the most demanding thrill seekers, be it an easy grade 2 or a tough grade 5 river. Your thirst for adventure will be quenched right here in Malaysia's lush tropical jungle. Anglers seek a different challenge, and Malaysia's freshwater fish will live up to the expectations of the most discerning. Take your time to explore Malaysia's lakes of legendary beauty, including wetlands of global significance. Be amazed by incredible plants and animals. Malaysia offers you astounding windows to unspoilt nature, tranquility, and memorable outdoor pursuits. Savor the very best of nature's wonders in Malaysia. Your link to enchanting nature.